Welcome. I am Fritz. I'm here to guide you to a Gashho meditation, a Japanese Reiki meditation technique that helps clear the mind and bring inner peace. Even if one is not attuned or a Reiki practitioner, anyone can reap the benefits of this meditation. In this meditation, I will incorporate 5 precepts. They will serve as affirmations to create peace and positive intentions throughout the day. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position that you can maintain for about 10 to 15 minutes. Pause and feel your sit bones connecting to the ground or the chair underneath you. Sit upright and tall, but not rigid. As you inhale through your nose, bring your shoulders up to your ears, then gently roll it back and let it fall on the sides as you exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, shoulders up to your ears, then gently roll it back and let it fall on the sides as you exhale through your mouth. Do this several times as you need to release the tension from your upper body. You may also shake your head gently from side to side if you wish. Rest your hand lightly on the top of your knees with the hands facing down. Have your chin be parallel to the floor and start to relax your face. Soften the cheeks and clench your jaw. Either close the eyes or keep the eyelids at half mast. Feel your body at this point. If you feel you can be 5 to 10% more comfortable, make any adjustments you need to enhance your stability and comfort. Gashho means two hands coming together. So let's begin to bring our hands now to our heart center, fingers lightly pressing on each other. Thumbs may rest at the center of your chest, and allow a small space between the palms of your hand to welcome any sensation that may arise. It may be a gentle tingling sensation, a warmth, or just an empty space to welcome the energy of the cosmos in our Gashho meditation. Bow your head towards your fingertips. Begin to bring awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, just inhale through your nose, being aware of the breath as it moves into the body. As you exhale, sigh it out through the mouth. On the next inhale, begin to press the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, just behind your two upper teeth. On the next exhale, as you breathe out through the mouth, just let your tongue rest on the floor of the mouth. Just breathe in this manner for a few rounds. getting accustomed to the technique. Inhaling through the nose, tip of the tongue pressed on the roof of the mouth. Exhaling through the mouth, tongue resting on the floor of the mouth. We've already begun to transition to our Gashho meditation. Once the breathing pattern has become familiar, shift your awareness to focus on the sensation of your two middle fingers pressing on each other. This would be the object of your focus for the Gashho meditation. Your mind will inevitably wander away at some point. Thoughts may arise, and when it does, without any dismay, without any distress, without any judgment, acknowledge the thought, the sensation or feeling that come up, and let them go. And bring your awareness to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing against each other. Continue to breathe in through the nose with the tip of the tongue pressing against the roof of the mouth. Continue to breathe out through the mouth with the tongue resting on the floor of the mouth. If your mind has wandered away, gently bring your attention back to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing each other. And in the silence of your mind, we'll begin to recite the 5 precepts. As we recite, continue to breathe in through the nose with the tip of your tongue pressing against the roof of the mouth, and continue to breathe out through the mouth with the tongue resting on the floor of the mouth. Just for the day, I am at peace. Just for the day, I trust. Just for the day, I am grateful. Just for the day, I work joyfully. And just for the day, I am love. Allow the meaning of the words to sink in. And bring your awareness back to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing against each other. Continue to breathe in through the nose with the tip of the tongue pressing against the roof of the mouth. Continue to breathe out through the mouth with the tongue resting on the floor of the mouth. If your mind has wandered away, gently bring your attention back to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing each other. Your mind may have drifted away. Gently bring your attention back to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing each other. The more you practice this meditation, the easier it would be to hold your attention to the sensation of the two middle fingers pressing each other. Keep your face soft and relaxed. Start to sharpen your awareness without causing any unnecessary tension to rise in the body. And then slowly, wherever you happen to be, on the next exhale, just relaxing, returning to normal breathing. With our hands still in the heart center, let's bow our heads down towards our fingertips. And let's thank the Reiki energy. Rest your hands lightly on the top of your knees once again, with the hands facing down. Whenever you're ready, you may gently open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me. I leave you with peace. Namaste.